Hello boys and girls and welcome to the class of biology. So today we are going to study about the blue-green algae. Okay. Initially the blue-green algae were placed in algae when the two kingdom classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Now, but here we are studying this blue-green algae under kingdom Monera. Okay, so initially it was placed in Plantae with algae, but due to its prokaryotic nature, it is placed in kingdom Monera when the five kingdom classification was done by R.H. Whittaker. Okay, so blue-green algae, they are also known as cyanobacteria. Okay, blue-green algae, they are also known as cyanobacteria. This name cyanobacteria was given by or suggested by ICNB, International Code for the Nomenclature of Bacteria. So we can write over here cyanobacteria, the name suggested by ICNB, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. ओके, जैसे हमने पहले पढ़ा था ICBN एंड ICZN, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर बॉटनिकल नॉमेनक्लेचर, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर जूलॉजिकल नॉमेनक्लेचर. सिमिलरली हियर इज ICNB, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. सो द बैक्टीरिया ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज साइनोबैक्टीरिया. ओके, now we can understand here what is the habitat of this blue green algae. Habitat means the place where any organism is found. So the habitat of this blue green algae, it is mostly found in fresh water. Okay, it is mostly found in fresh water, but some type of blue green algae are also found in sea water also. So some are also found in marine water. So this is the general thing. Now very important thing which is coming over here is its न्यूट्रिशन की अगर अपन बात करते हैं इन ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, सो इट इज ऑटोट्रॉफिक. अब ऑटोट्रॉफिक में आप जानेंगे कि ये कीमोसिंथेटिक है कि फोटोसिंथेटिक है. तो भैया ये है कैसा, फोटोसिंथेटिक. इट इज photosynthetic, but very important to understand over here is that the photosynthesis done by eubacteria is anoxygenic in nature, but the photosynthesis done by blue green algae, so it is they perform oxygenic photosynthesis. ओके, ऑक्सीजेनिक फोटोसिंथेसिस कहने का मतलब है बेटा यहाँ पे कि O2 is released. Okay, you will learn in class 12th that cyanobacteria were the first organism on the earth which were able to perform oxygenic photosynthesis. Now as we all know, the plants present in our environment are performing oxygenic photosynthesis, but the first organisms on the earth which were able to perform oxygenic photosynthesis were these cyanobacteria. Okay, now because they are photosynthetic in nature, autotrophic, they must be containing some photosynthetic pigment. So we are understanding their photosynthetic pigment. We can learn about their photosynthetic pigment. So the pigments present are कौन से पिगमेंट? फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट. ओके, फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट which are present in the cyanobacteria or blue green algae, they are number 1 chlorophyll A, it is green in color. Okay, second is carotenoids, it is yellow in color. Then third is C-phycocyanin, it is blue in color. C-phycocyanin, it is blue in color. And the another one is C-phycoerythrin. C-phycoerythrin, it is red in color. So these are the photosynthetic pigments which are present in the cyanobacteria. You will be very amazed to know that the chlorophyll A, that is green in color, and carotenoids, which is yellow in color, they are also present in higher plants. Okay, very important to note that chlorophyll A and carotenoids, these are the universal photosynthetic pigment. मैं आपको बता दूं, जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म इस अर्थ पे ऑक्सीजेनिक फोटोसिंथेसिस कर रहे होंगे, ध्यान से सुनिए इस बात को, जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म इस अर्थ पे ऑक्सीजेनिक फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं, उनमें क्लोरोफिल ए और कैरोटेनॉइड्स मिलना 100% श्योर है. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर साइनोबैक्टीरिया ऑक्सीजेनिक फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं तो उनमें क्लोरोफिल ए और कैरोटेनॉइड्स मिलेंगे, और अगर हायर प्लांट जैसे कि ब्रायोफाइटा, टेरिडोफाइटा, एंजियोस्पर्म, जिम्नोस्पर्म, एल्गी, ये सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म जो कि फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं ऑक्सीजेनिक वाली, तो उनमें भी ये क्लोरोफिल ए और कैरोटेनॉइड्स मिलेंगे. तो इसका मतलब है दीज टू पिगमेंट्स आर यूनिवर्सल पिगमेंट, दे आर यूनिवर्सल पिगमेंट्स. ओके, universal photosynthetic pigment, these chlorophyll A and carotenoids. Okay, but now another important thing that you have to understand, that as the name suggests, cyanobacteria are blue green algae, then you must be thinking that the blue green algae are always either blue in color, green in color, or combination of these two color. But let me tell you one thing, that cyanobacteria are not always blue in color or green in color. Some cyanobacteria are also of red color. Okay, some blue green algae, CG, we will abbreviate blue green algae as BGA. Some blue green algae are of red color. Okay, some blue green algae are of red color. Example of red color blue green algae, it is Trichodesmium. It is marine, found in marine or sea water. Trichodesmium is a red colored blue green algae. Okay, note it down beta. I hope you all have written this, so now I am rubbing it. So now we are going to understand over here what are the different forms of blue green algae, or in which forms or which shape or which type of group the blue green algae are found. So we can write over here different forms of blue green algae. Different forms of blue green algae. First type of unicellular. Okay, unicellular means single cell, isolated cell. Okay, unicellular, single isolated cell. Okay, this is unicellular blue green algae. Example of this unicellular blue green algae, we can write spirulina. Okay, another form of this blue green algae which can be colonial form of blue green algae, that is group of cells. Colonial form of blue green algae, it is a group of cells. Example we can write over here that Anabaena is a very good example of colonial blue green algae. And one more example, Microcystis. Okay, next it is filamentous blue green algae. Filamentous blue green algae, it can be a chain of cells. देखिए ये यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऑफ सेल है, ये यहाँ पे चेन ऑफ सेल्स है. ओके, ये ग्रुप ऑफ सेल और चेन ऑफ सेल. यू विल नॉट कंसीडर दिस ग्रुप ऑफ सेल और चेन ऑफ सेल एज अ मल्टी सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर. Why? Because there is no division of labor, no formation of tissues over here. That's why it is also unicellular. They are just forming group of cells. They are present like this. Okay, they are present like this. This is colonial blue green algae, and the chain of cells, the cells are attached like this. Okay, this is filamentous blue green algae, and the very famous example of filamentous blue green algae, it is Oscillatoria. Okay, Oscillatoria is a filamentous blue green algae. So I hope you have understood all of the concepts which I have taken today. Write it down in your notebook, and we will start with the next topic in the next video.